Welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Today guys, we have some good eating for you guys. We have, look over here, we have the mixed vegetables, carrots, okra, tomatoes, and the Jamaican thymes with some butters on top. And guys, look, real yard man food. We got Jamaican yellow yam, green bananas, yellow pumpkin, guys. Is just filled with all good vibes right here. Talking about some good eating, good vegetables, good Jamaican yard man food. And guess what? We have a lot of fish coming up. Codfish and okra, guy, with mixed vegetable. Over here, guy, we have the Dr. Fish. Yes, you hear me right. This is the Dr. Fish, the original Dr. Fish. Tastes so good, make you lick all your 10 fingers. Yes, also, we always cooking good organic carrots right here. We got the carrot on the vine with the leaves and everything, fresh off the farm. We have the thyme right here. We have a fresh lime. We have some green bell peppers and a tomato. Yes, the kitchen is filled with flavors right now. The fish right here is bursting with flavors. You can smell it from a mile away. It just smells so good. All the season, all the herbs, all the spice is just saturated in there, marinating real good. Oh man, it's a vibe party going on right here. You better be hungry. Look at all that goodness. Look at all that pumpkin. Yes, and never last but not least, guys, this right here is the parrot fish. Yes, you heard me right. Parrot fish. From the other day I've been cooking parrot fish because I just love parrot fish. Looking all nice and golden brown. Yes, beautifully looking. This is a nice eating fish, guys. Look at all that white fillet meat right there on top. So the peppers. Yes, my Scotch bonnet peppers in the oil. Get a fork. Okay. Let's remove this pepper out of the pot. Corn is cooking down. Okay. Got some
here's your fork.
Codfish cooking down. This fork is kind of small. Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Remove it out of the oil.
1 spoon left.
Over here we have some butterfish. Yeah, we got some cut up tomatoes and okra, red peppers, and red onions here. So time to do some fish frying with some butterfish. Yep, it's gonna be some good eating. Me not trust phone, me no own, me not like it. Okay guys, my saltfish is cooking up right here. This is my codfish. Yeah, first of all, you want to cook them down a little bit. Get rid of the excess salt out of it. Wash them a couple times while you're cooking. You want to change that water and wash them. Get rid of the excess salt. And then you can go ahead and fry them up just like that. You can see, you guys, my fish from earlier is over here. My corn is done. I have some onions, some red onion over here with some butter, some thyme, some Scotch bonnet pepper. It's gonna steam down. Over here, guys, we have some more nice vegetables. We have some okra, as you can see. We have some okra, some tomato, and all the good stuff right here. Some more onion as well. So we are gonna go ahead and put it in here. This little small pot over here, and then we're gonna steam that down with the butter. Yeah, looking good already. So go ahead and put a little bit of garlic and herbs in here, just like that. Give it a good taste. Yeah, cover this thing up, make it steam down nicely. Yes guys, this is some jerk chicken pasta right here, guys. Look at that. Yeah, jerk chicken pasta, looking good. The cheese on top. Okay guys, so I have my saltfish and my vegetables steaming down nicely with the codfish on top. Tell me if that don't look good over there, guys. Juicy, yeah. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, guys, I got a nice juicy mango right here. You know, it's gonna be some good eating right here. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Here comes my mango, guys. Yes, guys, this is my mango and papaya already. I'm gonna use some of this for lunch today. And this right here is some carrot juice, some strawberry, and some beetroot all blend up right here, guys. Real juicy and stuff. You know, it's a good healthy right here. Some good food go with some good treat, some good nice fruits. Okay, guys, this is what my codfish, okra, pepper, all the good stuff go along with my fish. Look like the okra is done now. So it look like right here. Yeah. Like I can cut this off right now. This is ready to eat. And my fish all fried and done. Last but not least, my corn is well done as well. Yeah, with my cock soup, flavored. Give them the best taste. Yes, guys, look at that papaya. It's so sweet. Oh my gosh, it goes so good with mangoes. Summertime, guys, just kick back and relax and eat some good fruits, guys. Trust me, it's a good treat. After eating all them yard man food, you eat some nice fruits to go along with it. See you guys later.